My name is Anshuman Singh. I am from class 6, Nepali High. Today I am presenting a theory, the collider revolution. It is a theory that is created by me. It deals with the common method of gravity. Like in this theory, planets are revolving around the sun while crossing each other orbit. It is happening because of the speed and distance that are not equal to each other and how they are far from their sun. Like the sun. It influences the gravity very much because of its great amount of mass. That's why the three planets revolve around it. Planetary, it's a gaseous planet. It is 2,486 kilometers from the sun. This is Planetary, the green planet. Now, distance. Every planet has a particular distance from each planet that from this reason they are not colliding. Like planet A has distance from planet B 8,246 kilometers and from planet C it has 12,426 kilometers. It keeps revolving. Now come to planet B. It's a rocky planet. Its position is 1,248 kilometers from the sun. Speed. It has 6,436 kilometers per hour speed.